What's up, y'all? ACS on. So I got some clips from this Corvette, man. This Corvette is like the Corvette from hell. I had every piece of the brake system replaced besides the prop valve, which that's the last thing that's wrong with this car. I mean, that I can replace on this car and they don't fix it. I don't know what's wrong with it. The brake roof was replaced, all the calipers, hoses, master cylinder twice, the little black valve that go from the carb to the booster, like everything in the brake system was replaced and the car still don't stop. So I bought the car in hopes to just put it together, and she arrived the Corvette and I arrived the blue box with a donk at the time. That was last summer, and I just remember like, dang, I ain't never dropped that video. So we was gonna do that instead of start on Chevelle, but we never got all the parts at once. So I got a lot of the parts, but it ain't enough to finish putting the car together. Door panels, which is kind of beat up now. Seats, box of parts, pieces of the brake. This piece that covered the e-brake, all jacked up, man. So I was like, damn, we might as well buy a roller, because the car running dry. I was like, we might as well buy a roller. And yeah, the roller I did find was like $1,500, but I got so much in the damn car. I paid to get it shipped. I spent like $1,200 on brakes parts, with some labor. Man, it was like an instant like $5,500, $6,000 in the car that I ain't ever planned on putting in the car. I bought the car and I thought that was gonna be it. I was just gonna put it together. But hey, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the footage of the car. I probably won't do nothing to this car unless I find a roller, because the pieces for this car is like so fucking expensive that there's no point to buying the pieces. You might well buy a car for $1,500, $2,000, which is what I was gonna do. But I was watching the car for so long, slipped on my fingers, so it was gone. So I ain't really in a rush to keep looking for that one, because that car, it don't need a lot of work to get put together, but it do need work. I ain't gonna even lie, it need work to get put together. You need some floors, you need a lot of stuff. You need a little more than I expected. I thought, hey, we're gonna put some floors in here, we're gonna put all the pieces in, and we're gonna go get it painted real quick, and we're gonna go. Hell no, not even close, like, not even close. I wish I would've looked more into it, but I'm finna go ahead and leave y'all this footage. It's still a nice, decent car, but she could ride one of my other cars. Cause shoot, the silver one to be done hopefully by May. The dunk will be done, what's March, I'm finishing the blue one. The dunk will be done April. Yeah, hopefully the silver one is done in May. I got another one that just need body work, paint. Hopefully I can slip that in and go to get a cheap paint job, but I got a whole bunch of plans. I'm just leave y'all with the footage of the car, and y'all might see some frustration. You might not, I don't even remember, but the video's so damn old. It's probably about 6 months old. But give y'all that footage, tell me what you think, and shoot, if anybody know where a parts car at, not a rusty one. I don't want a rusty one though, because I want to just move stuff over. And I don't know, man, like, because this is a Stingray too, so I don't want to go to a non-Stingray car. You know, so a Stingray could be worth like 20 grand. I don't want to go from a Stingray to a non-Stingray, you know? So, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm finna go ahead and leave y'all this footage. And yeah. Next video will be on the blue box Chevy. It got a new windshield. Look at it, looking beautiful. I'm just about to where I can pull it in and start ripping it apart, putting all the pieces in. Just about there. I gotta order a couple more things, get a couple more things done, and I'm there. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. What's up, y'all? SCS, we back with another one. Got J-Rock in here.
What it do, baby?
Y'all know y'all ain't seen this man in like a year. My daughter about to be 1. I told him she about to be 1. This man just coming around, man.
Chill, man. Chill.
Hey, we on the Corvette for the first time. My wife showed the intro video of what's the plan is for the car. So if y'all want to see that, I'm gonna share that video. And matter of fact, the video will be in a link in the description. But first thing we gotta do is get the brakes working on this thing. This is gonna be a car that she drive till the Chevelle is like drivable. So the Chevelle, we piling the parts up. This is just something cheap and quick. The interior is done. You just need the body work, paint, and then everything put back together. But first, we got to get these brakes working. So it's going to the mechanic. He gonna diagnose it. I'm gonna try to see how I throw some money to just fix it, because I really don't feel like fixing it. I'm just out of mechanical energy right now. So yeah, we about to inflate this tire, drive it on the trailer, and then a couple hours he'll go to meet him. I'm gonna fabricate some pieces in between them times. Y'all about to see me blow my face up. J-Rock gonna record it. Hey, I need like a torch, man. That's risky. My long lighter, man. Pray for it. I can see I don't want to cap it. My arm burnt. Woo. It's hot too. I'm changing the tire. 15. Yeah, I'm changing the tire. Strap this boy down. Finally here. Like this thing dropped off. So we could diagnose these old brakes. They go ahead and get it off the trailer right now. What's up, y'all? SCS, and we back with a continued video on the Corvette. So pick the bad boy up, drop it off. You can't say, hey, you need all new calipers, brake boosters, no, all new calipers, master cylinder, lines, rear brake lines, all 4 hoses, rear brake lines, man, like, woo! And then I see how to pay. For a 76, this car was advanced, bro. It got 4 piston brakes. And 76, I gotta take the score back, man. It's like $120 right there. Gotta take that back, get some of my money back. But yeah, all that got replaced, and the car was doing the same exact thing, which I'm not tripping on parts because it's gonna buy it anyway. My wife driving this car and want her to be in a situation where she can't stop, then probably don't know to cut the car off or put it in neutral or steer a certain way. And yeah, so I wanted her to have new parts anyway. Like I said, it got new pistons all the way around, brake lines in the back, brake hoses all around, and the new master cylinder. And today it's getting a brake booster. So this the old booster. Pull this bad boy out. This the old booster, and this piece right here is what, when you pull this out, push this piece in. But this piece, let's see if I can get it. All right, yeah, look, this piece, even without, like I said, touching that piece, this was not too loose, man. And I don't think this was pushing the master cylinder. So, but this is what I was doing. I pushed it out, like when you push the pedal down, this come out, but it didn't go back in. So I was like, yeah, this booster got to be bad, more than likely. So bought a new 9-inch booster for the 76 Corvette. They had this zinc one over this zinc. This is what it really looked like, the whole thing. But it was a whole bunch of people saying that this piece here didn't fit in a master cylinder. But this one had like 5 stars. It had a 4-star, but no 1-star. This one had a lot of 1-stars, so I ain't buy that one. It was like a $40 difference. I ain't want no problem, so I just bought the one that everybody said for sure worked on the Corvette. And then this one came with all new bolts. I don't know if they all do, but that's a plus for me. I'm gonna zap this bad boy in, and we finna see if this thing got some brakes. Can't even drive it though if it do, cause ain't no good tires. Tread coming up off one of them, so definitely ain't finna. Probably. I was gonna say probably take it around the block, but I don't even want to do that till you get some tires. And shoot, I don't want to buy no tires till we buy the rims that we want to put on here, cause these ain't the wheels that she want on here. So I'm about to go ahead and bolt this bad boy up. We bolt this bad boy up, and then shoot, we'll see what we got. Tighten this piece down. Here we go. We'll be back at the ant factory. This ain't how ants everywhere. But it's gonna get worked out. Gotta go inside, make sure I'm in the right spot. Alright, let's see. When we pump this boy, is it gonna do something? Dang. Like that one did. Damn. Yep, so that wasn't it. Waste of money. Even though it was acting weird. So yeah, master cylinder waiting on the replacement. That's the only other thing that it could be, because everything else new. Literally everything in the brake system new. That in prop valve. So new master cylinder, if that ain't it, then prop valve gotta be it. I'm telling y'all, I hit that point to where I was like, man, we can sell this damn car. This car. I hit that point. But let me see what this prop valve even at.